Another car completely submerged in the snow. Completely buried. I don't know how the heck this person's getting out. They're not. Not for a while. Where am I going? The car's coming. Go. Piles everywhere. I'm on the road. People are passing. But I wanted to film this. This car that is buried. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So much snow. Oh my goodness. And my heart goes out to all the homeless people. All the animals that are homeless. That have to be stuck out in this weather. My heart, my prayers go out to them. Because I'm sure in this kind of weather, not a lot of people or animals make it, which is fucking heartbreaking. Good old Canada.